Guys, welcome to the next tutorial on SVGs, which are scalable vector graphics, and in this we're going to look at a different way of doing them. Now I changed my canvas here, I just canvas for the SVG, I just made it bigger, just so I can show you something decent, right? This way we're going to look at a thing called a path, right? And we start the path with D. Your starting point is your M, which is like you move to, like an ordinary thing. You give the size, line 2 here, and line 2, okay? And then you close it with a Z. After that, you put in your fill and give it a colour. So I've done that for these two here, see, and I give them a colour. Now this one here, I decided to do a larger triangle, and where's our dimensions to here, and then I'll put in a C. But then what I do is I want to put a curve in, just something like that, okay? So I have to put the point. So we know my starting point is going to be this point here, 900 by 800, which is down here. Now we're going to want the curve like this, so I'm going to pick a point of 600 to 600, so that's where far the curve will just come in. And my last point then, which is my starting point, which is 6 by 2, which is 6 by 2 here, okay? Now, if I was to run that, this is what you would get, right? So you can see what I'm talking about. For the curve, we have our 900 by 800. I come in with this angle of 6 by 6, and I finish up here. I think that's what I said was a 6 by 2, okay? That's how we get the curve. This is the other triangles that we've done up here, and that's just an easier way and a better way of doing SVGs. So again, you can have a quick look at that yourself. Put some points in. Don't forget path. Open it, close it. Z is for closing your path. Okay, you fill the color after you close your Z, and then you just your dimensions in here as I've shown here. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.